Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to track shipping with SHEIN standard delivery. The first thing I want you to do is just go ahead and launch the SHEIN app, and then you just come at the bottom right. You'll actually see your profile icon. You'll see me right here. I want you to tap on that and you'll be redirected to this page, and then here you'll see my orders, and from here you'll actually see this shipped section. I want you to go ahead and tap on this and you'll be redirected to this page. You'll see all your shipped orders. So we have this item right here. So you can click here on track. And once you go ahead and do that, you'll be redirected to this page. And you can see a tracking number. And this is by JNT. So you can even go to their website itself, copy this, and paste it in there if you don't believe the one from SHEIN. But you can just go ahead and scroll down here. You can see right now it is in transit, and you'll see more updates as time go by, and these are the estimated dates and times as well. That is how you go about it. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.